Hello and welcome to day number 88 of our Travel Trader series, and today I want to talk to you about trading for charities. As you might be aware that we started at the beginning of the year to take one day out of each month and trade, and whatever we make in money then goes to charities. However, as I'm currently stuck here in Limassol and the internet isn't working here where I am properly, so I don't have the opportunity to take my students and trade together with them live in the markets and generate profits that we then will give away to charity. And that is the reason why I personally donated €1,000 to the organization Save the Children. The reason for it is simply because that we are in some unprecedented times, and I'm aware that a lot of people are struggling, not knowing whether they will have a job once quarantines are over and once people are allowed to get outside. There's a lot of insecurity. However, if you think about it, children, elderly people are the ones that cannot help themselves, and that's why I decided to pick a children's charity and help with the initiative that we started, Trading for Charities. As we cannot trade this month, I just wanted to do something, but we will continue, and latest in April, when I'm back and everything is working, we will pick out another date and we will see that we will trade again and get the maximum result for these charities. So if you want to join in, you're more than happy to do the same thing if you can. Otherwise, if you struggle, then you should make sure that you're able, first of all, to help yourself. But if you are in a position where you're able to help others, then I think this is a good time to help and give. As I said, as soon as we are in April, so next month, we will do the normal thing again and trade together and maximize our results. And the general idea is for us to grow our trading accounts, because the more money we get in our accounts, the more money we are able to trade, and the more money we are able to trade, the more profits we will generate and the more money will be available. And this is what I want to do with the Trading for Charity as well. So the bigger our account grows, the more we are able to give away for good causes. If you know any cause that you think should get more money than it actually gets, I'm always happy for you to post that in the comment section. Tell me what the charity is, and then we can have a look at it and can make it one of the next ones to receive some money. So that's all for today. Tomorrow I want to talk about a new indicator, and it'll be the awesome oscillator. I'll explain to you what it is, how it works, and how we can apply it. So looking forward to talking to you again tomorrow, and wish you a great evening. Have a good time. Thank you and goodbye.